Welcome back, innovative people. Here we simplify complex topics for your business growth. Today, we are diving into a super important topic, intellectual property rights or IPR strategies specifically for e-commerce businesses. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry, software, or your own clothing line, protecting your brand and ideas is non-negotiable. So, let's get started. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, intellectual property can make or break your business. Why? Because your brand, designs, and innovations are your unique selling points. Without protection, you risk losing your hard work to competitors or counterfeiters. And trust me, you don't want that. Adds value to your business. So, what should you protect? Let's break it down. There are 4 major types of intellectual property you need to know about: trademarks, copyrights, patents, and trade secrets. Here's how each one applies to your e-commerce business. Trademarks. This protects your brand's name, logo, tagline, or even packaging. Think about how the Nike logo and "Just Do It" tagline are instantly recognizable. As an e-commerce entrepreneur, you want the same for your brand. Copyrights. Got custom photos, videos, or product descriptions. Copyright them. This ensures no one can steal your content and claim it as their own. Patents. If you've created a unique product or process, like a new gadget or manufacturing method, patent it to prevent others from copying your invention. Trade secrets. These include things like your secret recipe or a unique algorithm. Keep them confidential to maintain a competitive edge. Now that you know what to protect, let's talk about how. Here are 5 actionable steps you can take. Register your trademarks and copyrights. Start by registering your brand name, logo, and other unique identifiers with the appropriate authorities in your country. For global e-commerce, consider international registrations. Use watermarks and metadata. For photos and videos on your site, add watermarks and metadata to deter theft and make it easier to prove ownership. Monitor your IP online. Set up Google Alerts for your brand name and use tools like Brand Shield to spot counterfeit products or unauthorized use of your IP. Create non-disclosure agreements, NDAs. Have suppliers, employees, and partners sign NDAs to protect your trade secrets. Take action against infringement. If someone steals your IP, file a complaint with the e-commerce platform or take legal action if necessary. Still not convinced? Let's look at some success stories. Amazon has a robust brand registry that helps sellers protect their trademarks, making it easier to fight counterfeit products. A small handmade soap business grew globally by trademarking its unique brand and designs, preventing copycats and building trust with customers. Let's recap the key strategies for e-commerce entrepreneurs to protect their IP. Register your brand with trademarks and copyrights. Monitor and enforce your rights online. Secure confidential information with NDAs. Stay proactive with legal protections. And here's a pro tip. Work with an IP attorney to create a comprehensive strategy tailored to your business. It's an investment that will save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Intellectual property protection might seem overwhelming, but with these strategies, you can secure your business and focus on growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights to help you thrive in the e-commerce world. So, there you have it. Now you know that IP is a powerful tool for maximizing your business's potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have questions about IPR topic? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep innovating and protecting your ideas. Bye.